Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here, we are having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse finish towards the upside, finishing a wave A or a wave 1. After those both case scenarios, you would like to see 3 corrective waves. In this case here, we got of course a zigzag for W, another zigzag for an X, and an A, B, C, D, E triangle for your wave Y. In this case, of course, you would like to see higher prices moving, of course, towards the upside where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very high, of course, price actions that we saw, which is over than 400% for XRP. Now, taking a look at the 1 hour chart here, or on the 4 hour chart, let's say, we can see that after this move toward the upside, which is of course an impulse in the yellow scenario, you can see clearly that we have a 1, 2 here as leading diagonal wave 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave 3 in the yellow scenario triangle for your wave 4, perfect characteristic wave 4, and then of course 1, 2, 3. Now still looking for another bigger triangle, of course for a wave 5 here in the yellow scenario. Now, of course, is this a wave 4? Yeah, very obviously that it might has been finished, and that because we already see a zigzag down for a wave A, zigzag up for a wave B, C, of course, and then another zigzag for your wave D, and then finally one more zigzag for a wave E. Finishing perfectly as a contracting zigzag. I know that the wave D did not took the high, but it is very possible to have a wave D just in this low, of course, for a contracting diagonal. Very possible to have a small wave D because contracting your wave D should be smaller than your wave B. This is all what you need. After this, why I'm not considering that this might be a part of the zigzag. And not, for example, your wave D and still looking for a wave E. Why not? Because it is, of course, possible, but why not? The thing is because it is impulsive, right? I see an impulse here, and that is a problem because in a zigzag, in a triangle, you only want to see zigzags. Yeah, it's not allowed to see impulses. Yeah, you see small impulses for your zigzag, but not a big impulse like this one. And in that case scenario, I would say, that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, making a wave 1. Yeah, after a possible finished A, B, C, D, E. And because I cannot read a clear zigzag here, I just see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? Perfect impulse in double 1, 2. Therefore, I'm still looking for a wave 2 right now. Yeah, and I think the wave E has finished, and the impulse that you would like to see after wave E has been given. Yeah. So all what I am looking for is an A, B, and a C toward the downside, and probably here your wave C might be a contracting diagonal. Yeah. And as you can see that this correction here as a wave 2 still can range, of course, for a wave 2 onto the 1.618. And that means, of course, it can be a wave C as a contracting ending diagonal, where we have here a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Probably that we might, of course, start to see unfolding, right? So as you can see, A, B, C, which is a zigzag here for your wave 1, 2, and then 3. So your wave 3 still need, of course, one more low, 4, and a 5 to finish the zigzag. Right? So I think here we are in impulse. Of course, if we go to the 1 hour chart, we can see that this is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very nice impulse where we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, not interfering with your wave 1, perfect impulse, 5, meaning your first wave A of this leg, and then A, B, and a C for a correction, and one more wave C toward the downside, finishing, of course, your wave 3 of this contracting diagonal. So basically, I'm still looking here for lower. I would say the target here for a wave 3 in a contracting diagonal. Let's see, contracting diagonal wave 3. So yeah, is this area, the green box between the 2.19, 2.17. Yeah, and let me mark this as a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave 2 here. Yeah, wave 2. Let's put it, of course, here in this yellow scenario, and that will, of course, finish an A, B, and a C. Here we go, and let's put it in orange. Yeah. So, and this will finish perfectly in the confluence with the 0.618 and the 0.78, of course, for XRP for a wave 2. That would create a perfect wave 1, 2, and then continuation towards the upside. Now, if we take a look at the XRP on KGT signals to see what happens, what could happen, of course, to give us much more indications. We can see, of course, the sell signal on the 5-minute chart here still given in the top here, and where we have, of course, a two bullish signals, but look at the price action. It's not divergence. It is actually convergence, meaning that the bullish here cannot work. We have two also bearish signal with convergence as well, which it works perfectly with the bearish. And here we go, we see lower prices. Then again, of course, one more bearish signal coming in, and here we go, lower prices, which is convergence. Very nice. So far, well, we did not get yet the bullish signal, but by the way, it is very close to get the bullish signal here. So once you get the bullish signal, actually, if we get, of course, the 500, the strongest one, if we get a bullish signal here, look at the divergence that it might create. But however, I think that still need to move towards the downside to get this bullish signal. Therefore, a little bit lower prices, meaning, of course, that we gonna get this wave 3, I think, and then, of course, get a wave 4 and a 5 probably, and then, of course, moving for higher prices. Let's see on the 15-minute chart a little bit even for a bigger scale here. Well, as you can see on the 15-minute chart, guys, we might have a divergence. We might start to have a divergence, knowing that also a convergence working perfectly here for the bearish, and the divergence for the bullish here might be open, as you can see. But still, of course, that is like this means now like the price is consolidating between bullish and bearish, meaning this contracting diagonal, because contracting diagonal, the price is ranging up and down until we finish, of course, in a new low for a wave 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. This, of course, make our scenario stronger for XRP. So that was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in KGT, of course, you can find all the details in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.